So what are the advantages of AutoCAD? It is the world's most well-known computer-aided design application, or CAD application for short. Full AutoCAD supports 2D and 3D design with many industry file formats. It's subscription-based, suiting both financial and operational requirements. You can pay a monthly subscription for a number of licenses, and that number of licenses can change depending on how many people need a license of AutoCAD. The AutoCAD DWG file format is recognized worldwide in many different industries. And AutoCAD, as part of its subscription, has both web-based and mobile applications for total mobility. AutoCAD also comes in many shapes and forms, known as toolsets, including mechanical and electrical. So you have AutoCAD Mechanical, AutoCAD Electrical, there's also AutoCAD Architecture, and numerous other toolsets available as well.